So I'm gonna put you in manual mode now. All you gotta worry about is switching up gears. I know last time people in the comments were like, oh, she doesn't know how to switch gears, it's common sense. Obviously it's common sense, but like doing it like when it's juicy.
I forgot, guys, so
just to focus on going
part
up.
2 of learning.
Up. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, chill. Once we go uphill, gas it.
Okay.
You're in track mode, so you're gonna be fine.
I know, like the dog's toy. Last time I accidentally hit it and I couldn't find it.
The toy, I know.
Drive around and then hit the gym after.
Yeah, we're gonna hit the gym. It's such a. We've been going crazy in the gym, dude. It's been so
I always.
Gas it. Try to gas up. Like when you get once it becomes straight on the road.
Is this a cop?
No. Now gas hard as you can. Switch.
Dang it. Yeah.
Try to switch us like 5.
Yeah.
For now. Okay. Now turn left at the stoplight. I just want you to get used to it, because that's all that matters. I warmed up the car just for this. Literally.
That was bad, huh?
It was kind of wonky, but you're not used to it, so it's whatever. It's not, like, turn left here. You're just not used to it, bro. That's it.
Yeah.
For me, like I feel like for guys it's just more common because it's like we're obsessed with that, you know?
Yeah.
Girls don't care about that crap at all. Except some, obviously, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So actually
Did they paint that thing into the color grass?
I don't know. Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, go. You're in second gear. It says M1, M2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh, this is such a perfect road.
Hard as can. Yeah. Good. Chill. I just need you, now this time?
Can you change it where I can see the speed right here?
Yeah.
Because I don't like looking over it. Okay, cool.
Alright, downshift. Once. Again. Wait. One more. Yes, sir, dude. That wine. Sexy wine.
That was so nice.
I don't know why this car, like, downshifts are just so nasty. They're so aggressive compared to like any other car. Except M5 is the only one I've been in where I downshifted and it's like, bro, juiced. Literally like the most juiciest thing you would ever freaking get. M5.
Oh, no, M5. Though, yeah, that video looked
Roots,
nice.
bro, it would pop so loud. Man, I need to get an M5, bro.
What about M8s? Are those nicer?
Same engine.
Oh.
Just a little bit different of a tune. Okay. After we'll do one more. Okay, gas as hard as can. Hard. Okay. You're like letting go of the gas?
I don't know, just...
What?
I don't know. Wait, what's going on?
Okay. Hard as can. Okay. You can chill now.
You told me to go as hard.
In the first couple gears, not
Tell me when to stop, because every time I do it, you're
okay,
like,
don't go past the speed limit. So go
Oh.
hard in the beginning, and then the rest is chill.
Oh.
Like really hard in the beginning.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, there's no copy. You better send this shiz. You're in gear 1. Okay. Hard as you can.
I don't want to exceed the speed limit.
Okay, you can get to the speed limit. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Let it go down. Yeah, slow down a little bit. One more. Downshift. Hard as you can. Yeah. You get used to it, bro.
I'm getting used to it a little.
You don't play car games like I played car games my whole life, bro. I was built for this, honestly.
It's crazy because I have 3 older brothers and a dad, and they're not into cars,
Yeah,
you know? Which kind of sucks.
Yeah.
That would have been fun if they were.
Daniel.
Yeah, but he only got into it after he got like married and had kids and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, last freaking spot. Open the windows up.
Sheesh. It like forced beside the
gas it.
bushes.
Not yet. A couple reps. One more. And after, help me 2 more, okay? One more. 2 more. One more.
How many reps was that?
So dead. Dude, I'm letting my dad drive the car today. Oh my gosh, it sounds amazing from the outside. Holy crap. Dude, it sounds insane. Oh my gosh. That thing's crazy. Dude, it looks so good from the outside. Holy crap. It looks so good from the outside. Oh my gosh, it looks so nasty. Oh, dude. Honestly, dude, I'm tired now, dude. I don't care what anyone. From the outside, bro, this car is amazing. Honestly, it looks so good from the outside. Come on, Mercedes, I need you to move out of my way from me. Oh my gosh. Dang. The idle's nasty. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. Come on. Sounds so lit, bro. I hope this angle's good right now. I don't know. I'm just winging it right now. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's been something chill, nothing crazy. You know, I just have to upload once a week, so that's why you see me coming out with like content with like my girl. Probably next one's gonna be with my dad or something. Like the POV inside the car with my dad. You know, because my dad hasn't actually driven this car like to its full potential. I've only let him drive it like one time. I think the next video I'm gonna do is a nighttime POV, and I'm probably gonna start involving my gym sessions just because, you know, I'm pretty sure in 6 months with the pace I'm going, I'm getting really strong really quick. I think in 6 months, if I keep this pace going, I'm gonna get really strong. Like I'm back to 2 plates bench, I'm back to rowing 2 plates, I'm back to squatting 2 plates. My goal is to get to like 3 plates bench. My goal is to get like 4 plates squat eventually. And everything's kind of like even right now, so I'm pretty hyped, bro. I'm pretty hyped. I want to record it for like memories because I know I'm gonna look back and like, dude, let's go. Because it's been like years, bro. I've been doing this same weight for years, and I regret, dude. So my goal is to get really heavily back into the gym. So I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. I'm gonna be coming out with some kind of chill merch. The hoodies I'm getting, dude, are such high quality. And honestly, I might be saying it just because the things that I can go buy some cheap ones from China and stuff and just sell merch for fun, but I like these hoodies so much because of the quality. I found really good manufacturers, and there's a lot of people that started doing merch in my area, like close friends. They're just just involved in the merch industry, and they just have really nice brands. I never thought these brands existed. But I know where Justin Bieber gets his merch, bro, because the quality of the hoodies I have, I think they're better than his brand. And I have Justin Bieber's hoodies, that's what I say. And his hoodies are one of my favorite, just because of the quality. And I've been wearing the t-shirts too, because there's like different manufacturers I'm getting it from. And they're definitely way more expensive than the ones you get from China, but you guys will see, bro. If you guys buy it eventually, I'm gonna try to give us some discount codes. If you guys buy one eventually, dude, you're gonna see what I mean, bro. I think when I come out with my own design, they're gonna be really nice. The one that my girl has is, it's my girl's design, so it's not like, I mean, it's a nice design, it's just not super manly, you know. I want something like that makes more sense. Something about taking risk, because especially right now, bro, I'm taking so much risk. And failing's how you learn, bro. So it's part of the process. Holy crap. Holy. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this type of video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want more of these kind of videos with the gym and stuff, make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys comment it. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.